So this is the base. There's one USB port, one Ethernet port, one power port. What we do is you just put this right here, make it soft, you know, you don't want to get hurt. Alright. We open the case here from the bottom. Get the screws right in the box. You don't want to lose the screws. One, two, three, five, 6 screws. That's it. Take the plate out. Right here. Get the lock nut out. And one by one of these things here. This is really light. And we just connect the internet to the internet, power to the power, and we don't use any of other ports. These 3 ports we don't use. Let's put it back here. Power cable. Make sure to leave your tablet on for 20 minutes before using it. It needs a warm up. The sensor needs to warm up before getting the exact temperature.
That's very important. 20 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
When you turn on for the first time?
Yeah, for the first time, yeah. When the tablet is cold, especially if you're in a cold place, make sure to leave the tablet on for 20 to 30 minutes. Because this sensor, when it's cold, it doesn't give the exact temperature. Sometimes it reads too low and sometimes it reads too high. So when it's on for 20 minutes, the tablet will warm up, the sensor will warm up, and it will give the exact temperature of the human being.